Hi, my name is Ryan Kouvolo, and I'm with CMIT Solutions based in Greenville, South Carolina, and I'm a technician. That is what sets us apart from other MSPs, is that sense of community. We care about each other, care about people's well-being, and you don't get that anywhere else. I've been in other jobs, and you don't get that. Having a strong national support network. First of all, you don't feel like you're the lone man on the island. You realize that, hey, there are other people out there that are doing the same thing. If you run into an issue that you don't know, you've got this network. You've got 800 plus techs out there that is what I like to say, a team's message away. And I have utilized that, and it has been very helpful in the course of the last 10 years. 10 years is a long time. And I wouldn't be where I am today without the support of two great franchise owners. And I don't mind if this is part of the video, but no, I wouldn't be where I'm today without the support of John and Elizabeth Boyette, the owners of CMIT of Greenville. When I first met them 10 years ago, I was at a point that I didn't know where I was going to go. And life changed when they walked into the door of our office. Lift your techs up, lift your staff up, lift your support staff up. Make them feel like they are truly important to you. But yeah, I appreciate what the folks around me have poured into me as a professional, and it changed my life.